Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on mathematics, page number 18, lecture 1, natural and whole numbers. I introduce natural and whole numbers. First, the definition we can learn. The number used for counting objects around us is called natural number. It is denoted by n, and the example is n is equal to 1, 2 and so on. Whole numbers, the number consisting of 0 and all natural numbers are called whole number. It is denoted by w. An example is, you can write like as w is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on.